Hi, I'm Joe. I'm a Technology Solutions Specialist here at the Barcode warehouse, and welcome to our Innovation and Customer Experience Centre, where we bring cutting-edge technology to life. Today we're going to be looking at the Zebra EM45 RFID enterprise mobile device. The Zebra EM45 is an all-in-one enterprise mobile computer that combines RFID reading with high-performance cameras and Wi-Fi and 5G connectivity. So let's have a look at some of those key features.
One of the most powerful features of the EM45 is its integrated UHF RFID scanner. No need for separate devices, it effortlessly catches multiple tags simultaneously, giving you immediate, accurate inventory insights. Built to withstand the toughest environments with IP65 and IP68 ratings, the EM45 is drop tested, tumble tested and waterproof. Its slim, ergonomic design ensures comfortable all-day use with up to 25 hours of battery life and fast charging. The EM45 has a high-performance rear camera with optical image stabilization, perfect for capturing richly detailed photos and even 4K video. It's great for documenting proof of delivery, inspecting equipment, or ensuring planogram compliance in retail.
Other great features include 5G and Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, Android 14 operating system with support to Android 16, and face and fingerprint recognition for advanced security. The Zebra EM45 is a great device for the retail environment, and some of the key benefits and features include:
efficiently manage your retail inventory with the EM45's integrated RFID capabilities. Perform stock checks on the shop floor in seconds, ensuring accurate inventory levels and preventing stockouts. This frees up staff to focus on customer service and sales. The EM45 also has integrated contactless NFC capabilities, including tap to pay. This enables quick, secure transactions directly on the shop floor, providing ultimate convenience for customers and staff alike. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy for retail staff to carry throughout their shift. It fits comfortably in a pocket, enhancing mobility, and allows associates to provide seamless customer service anywhere in the store. In the demanding warehouse environment, efficiency and accuracy are paramount. The EM45 swiftly captures 1D and 2D barcodes, accelerating receiving, picking, packing, and shipping processes. For faster inventory management in the warehouse, the integrated RFID reader allows for rapid line-of-sight inventory counts, drastically reducing manual effort and improving stock accuracy. The Zebra EM45 also shines in the fast-paced hospitality industry. With its versatile scanning, RFID and NFC capabilities, the EM45 seamlessly integrates with guest wristbands for rapid check-ins, access control, and even cashless payments at your resort or venue. This provides a smooth, enhanced guest experience while boosting operational efficiency for your team. Couriers can swiftly scan parcels for tracking and capture proof of delivery with signatures. For field service, it's perfect for maintenance, inspections, and equipment identification via barcode or RFID. Technicians can manage work orders and use the high-resolution camera for documentation and real-time collaboration with HQ.